Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to mute videos before sending them on WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your WhatsApp app and open an individual chat or group where you want to send mute videos, and now tap on this camera icon to capture an instant video. Also, you can upload a video from your gallery by clicking on this paperclip icon here and tap on gallery to upload any video from your gallery. So right now I'm going to selecting here instant capturing option, and I'm simply capturing a little video here. Okay, after that here you'll find this audio icon here, so all you have to need just tap on that to mute videos and then tap on send, and that's how you can mute videos before sending. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.